Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your love and support. Today we are going to learn how we can create a realistic rain effect in this short tutorial. I have taken this beautiful picture. Let's get started. Take a new layer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N short key. Press Alt plus Backspace to fill the layer with the foreground color. Then, go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, adjust the value. Again go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Adjust the values and angle of the rain you want. Set blend mode to screen. I am taking a mask to make corrections as the subject is also got blurred while the subject is under the umbrella. Take a soft round brush and paint with black on a mask to hide the current layer from that specific place. I am doing it roughly, you can take your time. Take levels adjust. Take Levels Adjustment layer, and make a clipping mask by simply pressing on the arrow. You can make the layer clipping by simply pressing the Alt key in between the two layers. Adjust the values. Take the shadows slider to the right side and mid-tones and highlights to the left. Adjust the Adjust the opacity if needed. Repeat this process again. Take a new layer. Fill it in black. Set blend to screen. Go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise. Adjust the value. Again go to Filter, Blur. Motion Blur. Adjust the angle and value. Take mask. Paint with black on the mask to hide the layer from a specific place. Again, take the levels adjustment layer. Adjust the values. Adjust the opacity if needed. Make their group to see the final results. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you for watching and your support.